Archives of Prasar Bharati presents the timeless treasure of golden era.
From Rashtrapati Bhavan, this is Komal GB Singh reporting on this morning's ceremony being held here, where in a few minutes from now the Janata Dal S leader, Mr. Chandrasekhar, will be sworn in as India's new Prime Minister. The facade of Rashtrapati Bhavan, from where the President will walk down these stairs in a few minutes from now, to the courtyard below. A massive colonnade at the top of a flight of large alabaster stairs, a grand and impressive sight. And this is the Jaipur column which dominates this vast space, a gift from the Maharaja of Jaipur, Savai Madho Singh. The column was installed in 1912 to commemorate the transfer of India's capital from Calcutta to Delhi. And on the top of the column, poised in perpetual balance, is the six-pointed Star of India made of glass and an inscription, "And so may India be great." Commemorative of the 5th century BC, this bull atop the stairs at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President will pass by it shortly. At exactly 10:59, he'll be led in a procession down the aisle of the Darbar Hall. The President, Mr. R. Venkatraman, will be led by two ADCs, Captain Chatta and Captain Pinaich. Following the President will be the Military Secretary, Rear Admiral Ramsagar, and the Deputy Military Secretary, Colonel Bhola, followed by the President's ADC Flight Lieutenant Reddy. Here with us this morning are the Vice President, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, Mrs. Sharma, Mrs. Chandrasekhar, the Prime Minister, Mr. VP Singh, Mrs. VP Singh, Mrs. Menaka Gandhi, Mr. Madhu Dandvate, members of the outgoing government, also members of the Janata Dal S, other political parties, members of parliament, the diplomatic corps, and also a host of distinguished invitees. Mr. Chandrasekhar, who in a few minutes from now will take charge as the new Prime Minister of India. Along with him, Mr. Devilal, this is the first time that a Prime Minister is being sworn in the open space which faces Rashtrapati Bhavan. On earlier occasions, the ceremonies have always been held inside the Ashok Hall. But according to the Press Secretary to the President, Mr. K. Surya Narayana, because of the large number of VIPs present today and the over 300 members of the press which you can see from India and worldwide, it's been decided to have today's swearing-in ceremony out in the open so that a larger number of people can attend it. The outgoing Prime Minister, Mr. Vishwanath Pratap Singh, whose National Front government was voted out of office on the night of November the 7th, when after a marathon 11-hour debate, the Lok Sabha created history, rejecting for the first time a vote of confidence in a Council of Ministers. And thereafter, all eyes have been focused on Rashtrapati Bhavan, with the entire nation watching anxiously the outcome of the dramatic and uncertain political developments of the last few days. President Shri R. Venkatraman walking down the stairs of Rashtrapati Bhavan, led by Captain Chatta and Captain Pinaich. Military Secretary Rear Admiral Ram Sagar and Colonel Bhola, Deputy Military Secretary, following the President Shri R. Venkatraman. The Secretary to the President, Mr. P. Murari, will now request permission to commence the ceremony and will conduct the proceedings.
Shri Chandrasekhar.
चंद्रशेखर सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूँगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता को अक्षुण्ण रखूँगा। संघ के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूँगा तथा भय या पक्षपात, अनुराग या द्वेष के बिना मैं सब प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति संविधान और विधि के अनुसार न्याय करूँगा। चंद्रशेखर सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ कि जो विषय संघ के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में मेरे विचार के लिए लाया जाएगा अथवा मुझे ज्ञात होगा, उसे किसी व्यक्ति या व्यक्तियों को उस अवस्था को छोड़कर जबकि प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों के उचित निर्वहन के लिए ऐसा करना अपेक्षित हो, अन्य अवस्था में मैं प्रत्यक्ष अथवा परोक्ष रूप से संसूचित या प्रकट नहीं करूँगा।
चौधरी देवीलाल जी।
देवीलाल ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूँगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूँगा। संघ के उप प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूँगा तथा भय या पक्षपात, अनुराग या द्वेष के बिना मैं सब प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति संविधान और विधि के अनुसार न्याय करूँगा। मैं देवीलाल ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि जो विषय संघ के उप प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में मेरे विचार के लिए लाया जाएगा अथवा मुझे ज्ञात होगा, उसे किसी व्यक्ति या व्यक्तियों को उस अवसर को छोड़कर, जबकि प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों के उचित निर्वहन के लिए ऐसा करना अपेक्षित हो, अन्य अवस्था में मैं प्रत्यक्ष अथवा परोक्ष रूप में संसूचित या प्रकट नहीं करूँगा।
All the best to you.
With Prime Minister Chandrasekhar and Deputy Prime Minister Mr. Devi Lal having taken the oath of office in secrecy, it must be a moment for both of them overwhelming and special. Being greeted and applauded by the crowds here this morning in the forecourt of Rashtrapati Bhavan. And now it's also a moment which the battery of press photographers would like to capture permanently. Here they are clicking away to capture a memorable moment in time. President Shri R. Venkatraman, Prime Minister Chandrasekhar and Deputy Prime Minister Mr. Devi Lal. Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, Dr. Farooq Abdullah, Mr. Chandrasekhar and Mr. Devi Lal being congratulated by all present here today, mingling with the crowds, his supporters, his well-wishers, accepting greetings. In the background, we can hear slogans cheering the new Prime Minister of India, Prime Minister Chandrasekhar. The ex-Prime Minister, Mr. V.P. Singh, and here is the new Prime Minister, Mr. Chandrasekhar. Jubilant crowds in the background trying to catch a glimpse of the new Prime Minister, also of Mr. Devilal. Mr. Devilal there, completely surrounded by supporters and well-wishers. Large crowds thronging around him to congratulate him.